Okay. Top notch INC. Top notch Goon Gang. In the streets of West Philly present. Million.
Phase 1, week 2, day 4. We got shoulders. Today there's not going to be any presses. We're going to save that for the next phase so you can maintain that shoulder health throughout this high volume. Today we're hitting a lot of lateral raises for a bunch of different variations, and we're hitting rear delts and we're going to crush the low traps. So keep a slow tempo on the eccentric of these exercises, and we're going to hit high reps and really burn it up. We're going to focus on the peak contraction, especially with the rear delts, and with the lat raises, we want to make sure you don't shrug the traps up. We want to keep all the tension on the lateral deltoids. So let's get this done.
With the losers, cause I'm winning right here. Yeah, kinda sorta like Drake say. Keep it 40 on me, but I let it with that case spray. Regular day, it's a regular lay. When they book it to the ceiling, the holes they won't play. You know me, I'm the same OG, but no T since 03, but the O in me. Yes, I got a question. If you told me what I know, then why I'm where I'm at, and why you steady waiting, try and blow? Oh, I set my fresh on the silly wall. Bet I make it rain, I throw that money, let a milli go. No problemo, make it back tomorrow. On any given Sunday, 20 grand up in my car, go.
They winning, they losing. Counting money off of this music.
We got another
winning, they losing. Counting money off of this music. Count that money on the camera, make a man, make a man. Count that money on the camera, make a man, make a man. Count that money on the camera, make a man, make a man. Count that money on the camera, make a man, make a man. Counting money on the camera, blowing like a roster. While you sitting home, hating like a blog hater. I'm eating like a mobster, shrimp in my pasta. Back in high school, kept working the lockers. Got kicked out, so I turned to the streets. Too many racks, so I turned to the beats. Niggas still hating, I'm buzzing like a beehive. Couple $1,000 stuffed in my lehigh. Throwing bees up for the homies yelling east side, west side, north side, in the Midwest. All these features, I be getting big checks. Rappers killers, but ain't nobody dead yet. Rap whack, wish I could bring big back. Fuck a diss record, I'll make the sick clap. Counting money on camera, man, we did that. Counting money on camera, man, we did that. They winning, they losing. Counting money off of this music. We winning, they losing. Counting money off of this music. Count that money on the camera, make a man, make a man. Count that money on the camera, make a man, make a man. Count that money on the camera, make a man, make a man. Count that money on the camera, make a man, make a man, make a man.
Money to the ceiling, got crossed by the flock. Middle finger to the law, ball through the block. See, shorty so sweet, so I nickname her honey. But I don't chase shit but the liquor and my money. See, no dummy, man, you got me chopped up. 5 to 10 coming soon, chicken better cop up. Oh, 9 time, so it ain't no stopping me. Pieces full of carrots, but it's looking like broccoli.